Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MiniConda, GitBash and VSocde for machine learning and deep learning development. Firstly, we are going to go to google.com and type download MiniConda. We need to choose first link conda.io. After that, we click on Windows 64-bit. Now I'm gonna skip until it's downloaded. And right now we need to install our MiniConda. Let's go to downloads, double click on it, wait a little bit, and let's click next. I agree. Make sure it's on just me, and after that make sure you remember path where you're installing. In our case it's on C disk. Click on next. After that you can click on next without adding it to path, because we're gonna add it ourselves into git path. And let's click next. Now I'm gonna skip again till it's fully installed. Okay, we're gonna click on finish, but before that untick those because we're not interested in release information. After that we can open conda prompt and type simple command conda.help --help, sorry. Okay, now we can go and download VSocde. You can choose first link. We can also download GitBash. We are going to integrate GitBash into VSocde terminal. We need to download user installer 64-bit. Click also git download. As you can see, VSocde started downloading. On Git, we choose Windows logo, click on it and make sure correct bit is clicked. In our case, it's still 64. Wait a little bit. I think Microsoft Edge is a little bit laggy. And it should start downloading now. Yeah. Okay, both of these are downloaded. Let's just double click on VSocde now. You can accept, agree, next, next. Nothing really complicated here. Next and install. And we're gonna wait a little bit until it's fully installed. Okay, let's launch it as well. Click on finish. Now I'm going to install some of my favorite extensions. The first one is GitHub Dart theme. This one. After that, we're gonna change to GitHub Dart default. We are also going to install material icon. This is my favorite icon one. It changes icons for different extensions of files like py, ipynb, bash, sh, or anything else. We need to also install pylons. It will automatically install all of the Python extensions necessary for development. As you can see, there are some isorts, JupTurk extensions, an actual Python extension, and much more. Now I'm gonna skip it until it's installed. Let's now open some directory. In our case, let's open test project in documents directory. Click on select folder. Okay, now let's install GitBash as well. Double click on it. Click on yes. Next, 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 and next again. Make sure here you choose VSocde and just go with all the default settings until it starts installing the actual software. Just wait a little bit, it won't take a while. Almost here. And it's installed. Okay, click on finish. But now we are going to add our Anaconda into our GitBash path in order to use it properly. Just open with any text editor and insert given text. I choose VI for text editor, and for getting correct path, a simple command pvd. And now, as you can see, Conda is visible in GitBash as well. Okay, I think we are good to go. But now we're gonna choose the default profile for our terminal as GitBash. Click on it. And let's open a new terminal and create some new environment. Let's choose Python 3.8 and install. In my case it was cached, so installation is a little bit faster, but it won't take too much as well for you. Just wait a little bit and let's activate an environment. Okay, and also let's install Jupyter Notebook. We'll use VSocde extension for working with Jupyter, because VSocde will give us well-behaved file tree as well as ability to modify any other extensions of files except for Python py files and ipynb files. Just select our kernel layer, run cell with shift enter, similar as Jupyter, and let's just print current directories content. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you guys are interested in macOS and Linux installations, please comment down below and subscribe for more. See ya!